Okay, the next concept what we are going to see is about multiple ifs. So we call it as multiple if or if else statement. So what is the syntax of that? So here if condition 1 statement 1, then I write else if condition 2 statement 2, else if condition 3 statement 3, then I write else statement 4. So this is the next one. Say for example I have entered a number, so I'll have to print each number in words. So let me enter the number from 1 to 3, and beyond 3 it should go to the else statement. So how will I write this? So here the same thing, class void main all that. So from here I start. So what should I write? Class, I write number. So here I write void main. So I enter a number int n. Okay. So here if n equal to 1, I print system dot out dot print ln. I print it as one. Okay, the first condition is over. Else if it is equal to 2, system dot out dot println, I write it as two. Else if I write if n equal to 3, system dot out dot println, I write 3. So if all the three condition fails, I go with else statement. So system dot out dot println, I write invalid. Got it? So this is how I go with the else statement. So this is condition number 1, this is condition number 2, and this one is condition number 3. Am I clear? So this is how I come do with the multiple if statements. So shall we do one more program? So the program will be asked in the exam like, say I can write it here. So there are something like marks given, and here they are given the grades. So they usually ask in terms of a tabular column, right? Whatever comes in the left hand side will be the input, whatever comes in the right hand side will be the output. Okay, so this is how we go. So this is input. Okay, so what are the first criteria? 80 percentage above. Second one is 60 percentage above, but lesser than 80 percentage. The criteria of third one is 40 percentage above and lesser than 60 percentage. Next one is um, 40 percentage. Here, let me make it as 45. 40 percentage less, but lesser than 45 percentage, and lesser than 40 percentage, what I have to do. The first one is distinction, the second one is first class, third one is second class, fourth one is pass, and fifth one I give no grade. So for this I have to write a Java program. So how do I write a Java program for this? So let me start as usual. So I start with class name, let it be marks. Okay, and then I give void main. What will be the input here? So the input will be the what should I do here? The input, the average marks obtained. So I'm just taking it as average marks obtained. So I have to take it as what is the average mark obtained. Like I have to take it as a integer, so I just give int a. Okay, and after that I have one, two, three, four conditions, and the fifth one will be in the else part. So I write the first one: if average is greater than 80. What I am printing? System.out.println. I am printing it as distinction. Okay, so that's the first condition. What is second condition? Else if average is greater than 60 and average is lesser than 50, right? So I print system.out.println. I print it as first class, right? Next one I write it as else if average is greater than 45 and average is lesser than 60. System.out.println. I give it as second class. Okay, the next condition 40 to 45. So else if average is greater than 40 and average is lesser than 45, what I do, system.out.println, I write it as pass. If all this criteria fail, I write system.out.println, I write no grade. This is how I execute or I write the program for multiple ifs. Hope you would have understood this concept. Okay, and once you know this logic, it becomes easy for any program to be done. Okay, all that I'll be posting it. Please do go through short url.at slash altg1. You have all the materials needed for your preparation. Okay, hope you understood. Thank you.